Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started we'll need to shut off the device by holding the power key and select power off and wait for it to shut off. Now once it has, all you need to do is hold power key and volume up. So both of those keys at the same time and hold it till you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. There we go, now we can let go. And from here at the bottom you have safe mode. Simply tap on it. And there we go. So once you tap on it, it takes a couple of seconds for it to actually register. And once it does, the phone will automatically reboot. And once it's back on, we should see a message on the bottom left corner of the device, basically stating safe mode. And there we go, so you can see the safe mode right here. Let me just quickly put in the pin for the SIM card. And that's it. So in this mode, majority of the apps that would usually run in the background are disabled, and only the core apps that come pre-installed with the device will be working. Just to basically how the safe mode works. And once you want to leave this mode, all you need to do now is hold the power key once more and tap on restart. And once the device boots back up, it will be back in the normal mode. And there we go, we're back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.